free blog writing AI tool. So I was able to write this blog article for totally free using an AI tool, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can also do the exact same thing. So simply go to Google, then from Google search, come and then search for Writesonic, okay, and then hit enter. So when it comes, simply come and then select the official site of Writesonic and then click on it. It's going to bring you right here to the platform. And as you can see, you don't need even any credit card to get started. It is totally free. Come and click on get started for free. And then you have to create an account, okay, without any credit card. So to create an account, you put in your first name, then come and then put in your email address. Then you come down here to where it says sign up with email and then come and click on it. So after creating your account, you'll be logging just like this one. So they are asking you what you want to do for today. You are going to write a blog. So simply come and then click on blog, okay. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the blog, and then we have blog post, we have blog post outline, we have paragraph writer, blog post title, blog post intro, and then we have the SEO metadata and then description as well. Okay, so we are simply going to start with blog post outline. So come and then click on it. So when you click on it over here, they are going to ask you the topic. Okay, so simply come and then write in something here. So I'm going to write how to make money online in Ghana for free. Okay, so you can write your topic right there and then come and then click on the next. Okay, after that over here you have to come and then select some key terms. Okay, so you can choose the one that they have suggested for you, okay, by clicking on it, and it is going to be added just like this one. Okay, so after that simply come and then click on the next. So when you click on the next thing is to simply come and then write in your target audience. Okay, so I'm going to write Ghanaians, and you can also come down here to where they have said suggestions. You can come and then click on any of these. Okay, so you can click on the student, unemployed youth, and then you can come and then check any one that you want, and it's going to be added just like this one for you. After that, simply come down here to where we have the next and come and click on the next. Okay, so after clicking on it over here, you have to come and then state the method. Okay, so I'm simply going to click any of the one that they have suggested for me. Okay, good. And after that, it is going to be added just like this one, and then simply come and then click on the generate. Okay, so when you click on it, you can see that it is generating. You can click on stop to stop it. So at the right side, you are going to see that the outline of the blog has been made for us simply. Okay, so this is it. We have the title, and then we have the introduction and everything. It is here. Okay, so it is well done for us. You can simply copy this and then go and then paste it in ChatGPT for ChatGPT to write a full blog article for you. Okay, so to do that, all that you have to do is simply come to the share, click on the down button, and then over here you can simply come and then post it directly to like your WordPress, or you can simply come in and click on the download to download it in a document or a PDF format or HTML, and then take it directly to ChatGPT to write the full article for you. Or you can simply use this as well by coming to highlight on the title. Okay, then you right click on it and then come to copy the title. After that, all that you have to do is simply come here and then click on the back arrow. Okay, and it's going to ask you, do you want to go back? Yes, click on go back, and then over here come and then select blog post. Okay, so we have blog post. Come and then click on blog post so that we use the AI feature to write a blog post for you. Okay, so as you can see, you have to come and then select any of them. Okay, the mode that you want to use to write. So we are going to select this one. It takes just 1 minute. So it's going to go through all this. Okay, all this to generate. Simply come and then click to start. Okay, so after clicking on it, all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says the topic, come and then paste the one that we have copied. Okay, from the outline, come and paste it right here, and after pasting it, all that you have to do is to simply come and then make sure that the targeted audience location is selected, the article language is selected as well, and then the writing style is also selected. Okay, and then over here the quality, simply come and then select good. Okay, you don't have to select anything far from good, simply select good, And then after that, all that you have to do is that over here, the keywords, it's optional. You can leave it like that. And then the article type, always come and then select AI recommended, okay? And then simply scroll down, and then the research method, come and then select the first one, okay? So come and click on select method. And after clicking on it, all that you have to do is simply come and then come and click on generate article. And it's going to generate a full article just like this one, with images as well. And as I said, ChatGPT can also do the exact same thing for you when you get the outline, okay? ChatGPT can also generate images as well and everything that you want for you for totally free, okay? So when you are okay with it, simply come and then click on the download, and then you can choose any of the document type, okay, PDF or whatever. Then you click on it and it's going to be downloaded for you, okay? So beside that one, you can also come and then click on start editing, and then you can edit any part that has been generated. So this is the first tool, totally free tool. Let me go and then show you the second tool, which is also totally free as well. So from Google, simply come and then type in ToolBaz, okay? So ToolBaz, and then over here, simply come and then select the official site of it by clicking here. It's going to bring you right here. So as you can see, free AI writer tools, and over here simply come and then select AI blog writer, okay, by clicking on it. So when you click on it, it will bring you right here to the AI blog writer, and then simply come here to where we have the topic. You can simply come and then write the topic right here in this box, okay? So after writing it, the next thing is that you have to come and then choose the model, okay? So the AI model, come and then click on the down arrow, and you can come and then select any of the AI tools here. We have Gemini, we have OpenAI, ChatGPT is also here. We have all of the AI tools that you can mention, okay? We have Luna, we have whatever that you know, it is over here. So I'm simply going to select ChatGPT for all, and then as you can see, I have selected that one as the model. You can also come here to the advanced option and then click on it and then do some settings, but I'm simply going to leave mine at the default. I'm simply not going to put in anything. After that, scroll down and come and then click on write, okay? So as you can see, it is generating the article for us, and it has generated the article for us, okay? And it is totally free, okay? So it is one of the best tools that you can use to generate articles as well for your blog, okay? So when you come down here, you can come and then click on the edit to edit it. They also have the read loud option that you can click on it, and it's going to read everything for you. So when you are done, simply come and then click this one, and then the article is going to be copied for you. And as you can see, it has been copied, and you can paste it. So like the video, and then see you in my next video.